Once upon a time, they only gave to them. It was all I owned. But I cherished it, for it gave me freely, having reached out of end, life, first of all, and liberty and happiness. Then one day, this father came and commanded me to pay tribute to the crown of faith. I paid tribute and said, no. I was certain that I was still the master of my land. This father became rich, but with riches, he was entered into him and came to me a second time. He read to me formidable documents saying, according to the agreement we all, which unfortunately you cannot read, is there to be payment of tribute but rest, for the land of the joy but not. I paid tribute and said nothing. I ceased to be a free man. I became a serf. Still, I held my silence. The rest went up and up. I started. And to this time at last I spoke. Nothing worse, but with this acoustic instrument with which I cleared the land once again. The voice. I transformed it from an instrument of village to an instrument of death, and with it drove away the stranger. Then I returned to my field saying, now in this shall I again be master of this land. Once my voice was done from me a quicker wit than mine. But I was wrong, for the land had another master. This time, not a stranger, but my own countrymen grown rich. I had a meaning, the Sabbath, wished to ask me to partner, but wished to me that still a slave. For once more I suffered the same things I suffered from the stranger. The rent, the usury, and all the rest of it. Yes, I returned to myself thinking that I was free, but soon discovered that I was still a prisoner. My prison, a storeroom shut pressed by every wind, without any comfort, except that 3 families observed the privilege to start. My home has become a very prison. Its doors, if you may call them such, are wide open. This prison nonetheless, for I am bound to be. That with chains of steel, but with the strongest chains. By honor. To this day, I remain a slave, a prisoner. No one that I, being free, has acquired the habit of being free. No wonder that after 3 centuries in chains, without freedom, without hope, I should lose their experience posture of a freeman and become the best misshapen, indolent, vicious, painful thing that I am. Ladies and gentlemen, I do not come here to judge, but to judge. Reason my appreciation and my sentence. I indict the Spanish Recomendero for inventing taxes impossible to bear. I indict the usurer for saddling me with debts impossible to pay. I indict the responsible vital leaders who agonize with insidious influence the confidence of my kind in our government. You accuse me of not supporting your family. Free me from bondage and I shall prove you false. You accuse me of ignorance, but I'm ignorant because my master finds it profitable to give you ignorance. Free me from bondage and I shall prove you false. You accuse me of indolence, but I am indolent because I have no will, but because I have no hope. Why should I labor? All the fruits of my labor was to pay an unpayable debt. Free me from bondage and I shall prove you false. Give me land, land to own, land to be beholden to any tyrant, land that will be free. Give me land for I am starving. Give me land that my children will not die. Sell it to me. Sell it to me at a then you'll cry. As one thing itself to another, and not a future itself to its place. But if you will not grant me this, if you will not grant me this last request, this ultimate demand, then build a wall around your home. Build it high, build it strong. Place it on every carpet. For I who have been silent 300 years will go. Will come in the night while you are feasting. With my cry and my ball at your door, and make God. That was our